welcome you all in the class of environment science. So students, today we are going to study ecosystem productivity. So in the last class, in the last lecture, we have studied about what is ecosystem, what is the structure of ecosystem. Okay. So what is the productivity? So before going into the details, let's first discuss what is this. All of you know what is environment. It includes everything, means all the necessary component, resources, air, water, soil, minerals and climate. Okay, so that's all make up the surrounding of living organism. So we can further classify these components into atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biospheres. Okay, so to function the ecosystem or environment, the interaction between these four components are necessary. Okay, it is necessary means to make the interaction among these four components for the working environment. We can say that our environment is safe and it is working or functional. Okay, so interaction among these four components are necessary. Then only we can say so that we have the working environment. So how will you ensure that? So in the environment we have different types of ecosystems. In the last class also we have discussed about what is ecosystem. So how we will ensure? So that thing we study in the ecosystem. So interaction of these four components exist in the ecosystem, in any working ecosystem. Okay, is it clear to you? In the last class we have discussed about what is environment. In the environment we have producers and we have consumers. So interaction among producers and consumer is also necessary, and that is established by food chain. Okay, and interaction of these biosphere component, okay, producer and consumer is should be with the physical atmosphere. These living organisms should interact with the physical environment like atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, then you can say that ecosystem is working. So this interaction is established in any ecosystem. For any ecosystem to survive, there should be the interaction. Okay, so now today we will study some parameters. The productivity, how the productivity dependent on these things. So it depends, obviously the producer plays a main role in the productivity because they are the producers. They start any ecosystem. So in any ecosystem, interaction among these four components is necessary. I have already given you the example of forest and pond ecosystem. Okay, so in the forest we see that different animals are connected with each other through food chain. Okay, because they are dependent on each other for their food, shelter or everything. So they feed on the other organism. One become prey and another one become predators. So you can call that predator-prey relationship in the food chain. So what happens in the food chain? Energy get transferred from one trophic level to another. Okay, so today we will study some parameters. What is this? How this happens? So there is a role of biogeochemical cycles to establish the interaction. What nature do? So there are the biogeochemical cycles that maintain the interaction among these four components: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. These four components are connected with each other. These four spheres are connected with each other by biogeochemical cycles that makes energy transfer. So energy transfer is important because if energy transfer is there, that means that system is working, that ecosystem is working. Okay, So there are certain biogeochemical cycle. What are those? Water cycle, nitrogen cycle, phosphorus cycle, sulfur cycle. Okay, so these are the different different materials we need in our life. These are also essential materials, like phosphorus is essential element of our life, okay, of our body also. So we need all those things. So biogeochemical cycles are necessary. They ensure the cycling of these materials. So we will have another class on the biogeochemical cycles, but today we are only going to study the basic thing about the ecosystem productivity. Okay, so as you all of you know how it start. Can anybody of you tell me how it start? I mean, with the productivity. Who play the main role in the productivity? Hmm? It is written here. So we have the ultimate source of energy, sun. Okay, every day you used to see the sun and you get the energy from the sun. So we all get the energy from the sun. Okay, if sun disappear for some days, we feel lethargic, like we do not have energy. Okay, in the rainfall season or in the winters, if there is a rainfall and sun is not rising, so even then also you feel the lethargic. So we all of us get the energy from the sun. So sun is the primary source of energy for all types of ecosystems. Okay, forest, grasslands and aquatic, for all the type. It is true for all the types of ecosystem. Okay, grassland is also one type of ecosystem. So grass is the producer there. For the grassland ecosystem, grass, small grass, that is the producer. Or they can be the long grass, means. So the in the grassland, grass is producer. Who feed on the grass? Goat. Goat feed on the grass. There can be other animals also. So it depends on the type of biogeographical region also. Somewhere we have zebra, somewhere we have another kinds of animals. So there can be short-hided plants in the grassland also. Herbaceous plants can also be there. Shrubby plant can also be there. Shrubby, herbaceous means short-hided plants. Shrubby plant, झाड़ीनुमा plants होते हैं, ठीक है. So that are all part of grassland ecosystem. So students, are you able to distinguish between different types of ecosystem? Like grassland, you can differentiate between grassland and forest. Can you? Okay, do you see the difference between grassland and forest? Just tell me. Grassland is different from forest. Grassland is different ecosystem and forest is a different ecosystem. So ecosystem, we can say this is the unit of the environment. Means ecosystem is the system that can survive. Okay. हाँ, yes.
मैम ये आपकी फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही शो कर रही है, उसके बाद से कोई स्लाइड नहीं शो कर रही. इकोसिस्टम प्रोडक्टिविटी जिसमें हेडिंग है.
ओके 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 ओके. I'm sharing it again. Okay. I need to share the whole screen, I think. Sorry.